Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make healthy mushroom soup using an easy method. We will focus on selecting fresh, wholesome ingredients to maximize nutritional value. You will learn to build a flavorful base, achieve a creamy texture without heavy cream, and add perfect finishing touches. This approach ensures your soup is both delicious and incredibly good for you, making it a perfect meal any day of the week. The foundation of any great soup is its base. Begin by gently sautéing finely chopped onions and minced garlic in about 1 tablespoon of heart-healthy olive oil until fragrant. Next, introduce a generous mix of fresh mushrooms, such as cremini, shiitake, and oyster varieties, allowing them to brown beautifully. Pour in approximately 4 cups of low-sodium vegetable broth, then simmer with fresh herbs like thyme and rosemary for a truly aromatic experience. Achieving a luxurious, creamy texture without heavy cream is simple. After simmering, remove about 1/3 of the soup and blend it until smooth, then return it to the pot. This naturally thickens the soup. For added creaminess, stir in about 1/2 cup of unsweetened plant-based milk, like almond or oat milk. Alternatively, a small dollop of Greek yogurt or a swirl of homemade cashew cream can provide a wonderful richness, keeping it light and healthy. To perfect your healthy mushroom soup, taste and adjust the seasonings. A pinch of sea salt and freshly ground black pepper will enhance all the flavors. For a vibrant finish, sprinkle generously with freshly chopped parsley or chives. Serve your warm, comforting soup alongside a slice of crusty whole grain bread or a crisp, light salad for a complete and satisfying meal. Enjoy the wholesome goodness you've created.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.